This is wireless solar power beam detector, working with lithium batteries, consists of a transmitter unit and a receiver unit. The detection distance can reach 100 meters. The beam detector needs to work with the alarm control panel. The wireless connection distance between the alarm host 40 to 60 meters. Generally use windows, main doors, balconies, and other open areas to prevent intrusions by criminals. Then let's learn how to pair the alarm host. First, turn on the power of the through beam detector. Then the host turns on learning mode, and triggering the detector will complete the pairing successfully. Finally, we tested whether it works normally.